To set up secure folder in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find security and privacy options. Then we can scroll down again and enter more security and privacy, where you should be able to find secure folder. You need to allow any permissions that will pop up, and then we'll be able to create our secure folder. Move through this introduction. Then make sure you have a Google account added to your Motorola account. Then we can choose a lock type for our secure folder. You will use it each time you will try to access files in that folder. So in this case, I'm going to go for a pattern like this. And now you can activate secure folder recovery. You can log into your Moto account, and then if in case that you forgot your password, you'll be able to recover it with this. You can also use fingerprint to unlock the secure folder. And then finally, right here we have a secure folder set up. We need to open files, and then you can see all of the files right here in the secure folder. You can transfer them by clicking on by going back. Maybe later, click on this plus button, add your files, select whichever files you would like to use, and let's add, for example, this image right here. We want to move it. If you copy it, it will still be there where you basically copy it from. If you move it, it will be moved to your secure folder and removed from the original files. So as you can see right here, we have this image, and if I go back and open the gallery, yeah, great. As you can see, it's gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.